I've been given my action cue, so I am going to tell you what I've done and then tell you what I'm still doing. So I've made these, well first I've put all these posts in, and you can see we've had to step the various bottoms part because of the way that the slope of the lot is, to keep it down where we wanted it to. So basically, we got the post set and leveled, got my level line, then got all these blocks set in place for these bottom rails. And these bottom rails are a 2x6 with a 2x6 with a 1x4 in the between them, sandwiched between them, and another 2x6. And what that does is allow us to put a picket in here like that. So the pickets, well, I guess you could put them this way, but we're putting them horizontally. And so they'll go like that, and they'll just stack up into this. There'll be some strips here that make a track that it goes into, so they just slide in and, and stack up as high as we want to go. And then once we get to the height, then we basically make something very similar to this that's inverted, and we just drop it on as the cap. And then there's lattice and, or some decorative panels above that. Anyway, this open area below is a concern, particularly to my sweetheart, because she's worried about weeds and stuff coming in from the neighbors and all of that. So
As you can well see.
so the bottom line is we're going to put some skirting on this side, their side of the fence, and they're basically, this isn't the board, they're over there, but they're treated 1x6 like this that will apply to this side, but will basically apply it like that. And then landscape cloth that goes underneath and across to protect our, make a protective barrier, so we can't get, well, we'll still get, but get fewer weeds infiltrating our yard. So that's the plan. This is where I'm at. It's my last day of sunshine for this week, so I don't know what I'll get done beyond this, but I've used up all the lumber we bought. Next is the pickets and the 2x2s to make the tracks for
Over there. What do you have left? Okay. Okay. That's it. Down there. So what's going to happen next when we have more good weather?
I'll get 2x2s and make the tracks that go up this side. So it's basically one of these, but it's only this big. So it's a little square piece. It'll go up right here and go up right here. It creates a track like this for these to slide down into. So I need to get those made, which are real quick. They're just cutting them to length and tacking them on. And then the pickets that will slide in. So the next step is the pickets and the tracks. So the tracks and then the pickets.
Okay.
And that will give us, actually that'll give us privacy.
Okay. So we'll be back. Hopefully, I don't know. Right now the forecast is like a week of rain, but maybe.
Forecast is rain. But if I get a clear day, I'll grab the pickets and the 2x2s.
Okay. We'll be back.